So we got the fan cranking now, and it's just blowing all this heat that would normally be going up to the ceiling, but now it's going straight out into the room. That's super warm air coming off of there. Literally getting blasted with the heat right there. It's working exactly like I hoped. Beautiful. So we got the fan cranking now, and it's just blowing all this heat that would normally be going up to the ceiling, but now it's going straight out into the room. It's doing great, but let me turn it up just a little. We'll put it on 4. Note how quiet these fans are. Even when they're flying like that, super quiet motor. In this case, when you have the burner really turned up and the fans are really cranking, you can feel it like 5 feet away. So it's great as a space heater. It's super hot sitting right in front of it. No heat up here at all. Like normally all the heat would be going up to the ceiling like this, but the fan's literally catching essentially 100% of it. I feel no heat at all right here. It's all right here and out towards the couch. And it's reaching all the way back to the couch right now. So a good 5 feet. By the way, once you unplug these, the fan itself will run probably 30 to 45 minutes before it stops. Minimum like 15 to 20. But that's just because the burner's so hot, the copper, the body of the fan at this point, that it won't stop running until the fan's body drops below 122 Fahrenheit, which I think is 50 Celsius. Here's a quick backside shot of the fan. You got the metal base, you got the metal heatsink on the top, and then in between these two pieces you have the little Peltier chip, so a white wafer chip. That's what creates the electricity from the heat. So the heat soaks from the copper to the base of the base of the fan to the underside of the chip. The heat's dissipated with this one, so it's hotter on this side, cooler on this side. That creates a current, which gets sent through these wires to the motor, which spins it. That's the whole thing. If you want to skip the heat-powered stove fan, you can just do it like this. These burners, by the way, are great for just regular cooking too. I'd never bought like a small 500 watt one like that before, but it works awesome. Awesome. It's turning out great. All right, should be ready. Perfect. Beautiful.